Well, we got another package. All right, let's check it out. Oh, good doggy. Welcome back to another unboxing and unbagging video. Today we have something from Army Navy Outdoors. Feel free to check them out. A large variety of items. Army Navy Outdoors. Let's go ahead and get you out of the way. Thank you. So again, these are from Army Navy Outdoors. Feel free to check them out. A large variety of items. Army Navy Outdoors. They also provide images with their items to help you identify them in case you ordered multiple items and some of them are similar looking. So let's start with this item. It's easiest. This is a Desert Camo MOLLE Entrenching Tool cover. So you can see here the MOLLE attachments, straps at the back, product label from the Resource Center. Looks like we have a date code there. Buckles on the latch. Drainage grommet at the bottom. And the pocket area for the entrenching tool. See the flap there. So the 3-color desert pattern. Desert Camo MOLLE Entrenching Tool cover. Next up, let's take a look at this. This is a U.S. issue 3-color desert BDU shirt used. Large regular. Looks like it's in a bag. Taped. Looks like we have branch tape, no name tape. It might have been actually removed right here. I can see some stitch points where it used to be. Large regular. There's your tag information, no manufacturer. And button down, of course. And a couple of buttons are actually fastened right now. You can see the hem area. Buttons only go down to this far, leaving a free waist area. This jacket coat has upper pockets, a little staining. 2 buttons on each, with bellows on the outside but not on the inner sides, and bellows at the bottom. Looks like a stitched drainage hole at the bottom of the pockets. Likewise, the bottom pockets have 2 buttons each. And bellows on the outside but not the inside, and not the bottoms. Looking on the inside here, there's another tag. This one from Golden Manufacturing Company Incorporated. And I don't see anything else on the inside. Taking a look at the back real quick. Solid back piece. And then stitched on the edges there. No epaulettes on the shoulders. Plain shoulders. And the cuffs, button cuffs, 2 buttons each. Looks like these have been buttoned in a tightened position, like so. And there are no drawstrings. So, U.S. issue 3-color desert BDU shirt used. So similar with this. Next up, let's take a look at this, is an Ontario Knife SP16 SPAX, SPAX in Multicam. This sheath here, so you can see the MOLLE attachments, Multicam color. Looks like we have our strap right here. That's been attached this way to, come on, 3 and 4 snap points to hold it in. Pulls out this way. Be careful here. Looks new. There you go. Spec Plus, SPAX SP16. You can see there. The edge, 5-sided opening for opening certain types of valves. Enclosure, and our various tool surfaces here and here as well. So an SP16 SPAX Ontario knife with a multicam sheath. I'm just going to leave this out for now. And then our last item, take it out of the bubble wrap. You can see here in a little MOLLE pouch, coyote, drainage grommet at the bottom, opening snap here, and then snap flap. This should be a Cammenga military phosphorescent Lensatic compass color tan. So you can see here a lanyard wrapped around this side. Okay, there's your model 27 Cammenga, NSN number US, aluminum body. See some gradations there on the sides. I get this to open. Okay, you can see some serial numbers, the meters marking, your reticle for looking at the terrain, a little magnifier, and the dial itself. So, see, north is that way. And then you got your clickable bezel on the top. And then phosphorescent military compass on the bottom. So again, a Cammenga military phosphorescent Lensatic compass in tan. And working our way backwards, we also had the Ontario knife SP16 SPAX in Multicam. We also had the US issue 3-color desert BDU shirt used. And then we had started off with the Desert Camo MOLLE Entrenching tool cover. And again, these all came from Army Navy Outdoors. Feel free to check them out. A large variety of items. Army Navy Outdoors. This has been another unboxing video. Feel free to check out other unboxing videos on the channel. We also do show and tell videos on vintage milsurp tools and expanded topics. We also do a selection of book review media reviews and a series called Curios for the Curious. Videos on more artsy type objects. Feel free to check all those out. Feel free to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. See you next time.